Have you ever been sitting alone and suddenly felt like someone is watching you? You turn around, nobody. You check the room, empty. But the feeling is real, almost physical. Psychologists say this sensation isn't random. It comes from a deep part of your brain designed for survival. Let's break down the real reason you feel watched, even when no one is there. 1. Your brain is built to detect threats. Humans survived for thousands of years by being alert. Your brain has a system called the hypervigilance network. It constantly scans for danger without you realizing it. Even a tiny sound, a shadow, or a shift in temperature can activate it. When the brain doesn't understand something, it assumes danger first, explanation later. That creates the feeling of someone is watching me. 2. The amygdala overreacts. The amygdala is your fear center. Sometimes it fires even when nothing is actually happening. Ever notice how animals suddenly stare into a corner? Humans have the same instinct, but we feel it instead of staring. It's your brain saying, "Be careful, something might be there." Most of the time, nothing is. 3. Your senses are sharper when you're alone. Studies show that when a person is alone, the brain increases awareness. Sounds seem louder, rooms feel bigger, small movements feel important. Your brain becomes more sensitive, so normal things feel suspicious. 4. Memory and imagination work together. When the room is quiet, your brain fills the silence. It uses memories of scary movies, past experiences, and familiar fears to create a false sense of presence. This is called pattern completion. Your brain completes the picture, even when the picture is empty. 5. Your mind tries to protect you. Feeling watched is not weakness. It's not paranoia. It's an ancient survival skill. Your brain would rather warn you about a danger that doesn't exist than ignore a danger that does. Conclusion. So the next time you feel like someone is watching you, remember, you're not haunted. You're not imagining things for no reason. It's just your ancient brain doing its job, keeping you alive, alert, and aware. If you love understanding psychology and mysterious human experiences, hit subscribe, because here we decode your mind, one truth at a time.